Hi guys, and thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. Don't forget, if you haven't checked out any of our others, have a look on our channel. We've got some really cool videos on there. We actually have another one to do with what we are doing today. So we are, for our display to do with our hydro dipping, we are hydro dipping a prosthetic leg, so the top section. Adam is just behind me at the moment. We'll go over and see him in a moment. We're just stripping it. We're going to be doing the top section in a wood effect. So we thought this would look pretty cool for our display. So we'll let you have a little look at this.
Right, just going to start stripping the leg, a few grub screws. I've already taken the shoe and the sock off, so that's what we need to go. You know?
No athlete's foot or anything?
No
we're all
athlete's
good.
foot, no sore toes,
no.
All good.
Has got cracked, not heels, but...
He's got very sore underneath a bit.
Dear, yeah.
And he's stubbed that a few times on coffee tables.
I think we get a bit of E45 on there, mate.
Yeah, he's got a stone in there as well. Perhaps that's a boil. But yeah, anyway, hydro dipping it in the wood effect.
Look at that, that's going to be
So
cool.
we are going to have a wooden leg.
How cool.
Yeah, lovely job.
We've done a few prosthetic limbs, haven't we, Ad?
We've done a few now, yeah.
We've done a gold one. That's on one of our other
legs.
Yeah, we've done one leg, didn't we?
Always seems to be the right leg as well. Which is strange.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, spot on. Always the right leg.
Yeah.
Not the wrong leg.
Oh, we did the wrong leg. Oh, here we go. We're apart. Ooh.
There we go. Easy as that, look.
Yeah, I'll just pop my ankle down there. And we'll wrap up this bit.
Use that to prop the door open.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I don't know what that bit is, but...
Yeah, it's the turbo button, isn't
It's the turbo, is it? We'll pop it in there, shall we?
it? We'll find that in a minute. That'll be fine.
That'll be fine.
Lovely.
Right.
Get that prep.
So
What
we're
we
going to
doing?
prep it up. We're doing a high build primer, so it's nice and smooth. You can tell it's got a bit of textured
Yes.
look at the minute. And then, yeah, primer, prep up.
Flippity dibber.
Hydro flip up.
Hydro flipper dibber.
Mm.
Lovely. What do you think?
Yeah.
Nothing. Not interested. Lovely. I don't think I'd have a drink out of it, if I'm honest with you. Don't forget your foot. Lift your foot behind. There you go, pal. Probably tempted to give you a kick up the bottom. I wouldn't do that, mate.
I'm going to go now before I put my foot in it.
Very good.
Bye now.
Bye bye now. Thanks for coming. Okay, and here are a few of our finishes. Look, there's all our hydro dip finishes. So there's quite a selection. And then we've got our painted finishes. A few more hydro dip finishes, painted finishes. But there are tons of different finishes we can do. We have hundreds, probably thousands of different painted finishes, lots of hydro dip finishes, so give us a call if we can help with any of this, or check them out on our website. Yeah, so give us a shout if we can help with anything like this. We really enjoy doing the prosthetic limbs. It's lovely to be able to add some real cool finishes to these types of things for people. So if there's anyone out there who's interested in anything like this, please do give us a shout. We'd be more than happy to help. Right, we're just going to go see Adam, who's now in the workshop prepping the leg. So we'll go and see how he's getting on. How we doing, pal?
Yeah, all good. Just starting to prep up.
Pete's got his new overalls on. Look at that, look. Oh, woohoo! Black Stag overalls.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely times. So Ad's just scotching it up as well now. Just buzzed over it lightly with the DA, didn't you?
Yeah.
Now a bit of red scotch, which will help prep it up.
Yeah. Then a bit of high build primer.
Here we have a leg. It's a full leg of lamb.
Full leg of lamb.
Just going to put some primer on it, make sure it's nice and smooth for old Adam to do whatever he's doing with it.
Yeah.
So, what's that, mate?
Is that what you can tell us?
I can't tell you
You
anymore.
can't really say a lot more about it, really, can you? You carry on, pal. Right, we're just going to go and see Ad. He's now cutting the film for the leg, so I think we're going with a... What are we going with, Ad? That's fine, here he is over here, look.
A bit of wood lead we're going for.
Yeah, we're going for a, sort of a wood effect.
Yeah.
So this is the film we've chosen.
This is the film. A better sample here, look. That's quite a good film, that one, isn't it? It is, nice. Yeah, it is.
That wood effect, lovely.
Yeah.
Gonna look good, that, mate.
You know it, mate, you know
it. So we got there then, Ad?
Oh, mate, we have got the artificial lead to be hydro dipped in wood.
Lovely. So it's all painted in the cream?
Still painted in our ivory beige we do.
Ivory beige.
Ivory beige.
Ivory beige.
Special paint.
This is the colour we need as the backing colour. So the wood shows very woody.
Yeah, there's obviously going to be a wooden lead.
How's your hand these days? Oh, it's still
Look smart, really.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they look real nice.
Yeah. Smart.
Lovely. Let's do it, pal. Let's do it. Right, going to get the leg all washed off. There we go, look. Right, here we go. Now we're going to go see James. He's in the booth with the leg, now ready to get some nice gloss lacquer onto it. So, we're going to see how he's getting on. Lovely jubbly. Oh, here he is. We found him. He's now ready.
Yeah, just getting a wooden leg ready. Not mucking around like you lot did though, the old stupid pirate business.
Yeah, quite. I don't blame you.
You want to throw up, mate?
Might have to take it off the lacquer though.
Yeah, can't see me! Can't see me!
Here we go, look, it's all ready to get some nice gloss lacquer on. Look at that, look at the bit flash. There we go. Okay, so we've now finished the prosthetic wooden leg limb, and we're just going to go over to Adam to see he's now fitting the leg all back up. Right, we'll see how he's getting on. Over that way.
Oh, you getting on all right?
Oh, excuse Dave.
Or just be demasking.
Demasking it.
Demasking, see the mask that inside.
How's it looking, pal? How's it looking?
It's looking very wooden.
Looking good, isn't it? Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Can you see with your patch on?
Who said that?
I don't know.
Take his eye out. Take his eye out.
Get me hooked on it as well, mate. Oh, it is hard to see. It's the wrong size. Let's try this one.
That'd be the right size.
Right, let's make sure we don't put his knee on backwards. I really does say like that.
So guys, thank you for checking out another one of our YouTube videos. We've had a bit of fun with this, as you've probably gathered if you've been watching it all the way through. Doing the prosthetic leg in the wood effect. This is purely for our display. We've done other prosthetic limbs for other customers. There's no mickey taken or anything meant out of this video. It's purely just having a bit of fun. If there's anything like this we can help anybody with, please do get in contact. There are loads of different finishes we can do. For prosthetic limbs, prosthetic arms, anything along these lines. You know, make it fun, make it interesting. We're more than happy to help here at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So please don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notifications, and you can stay fully up to date with any other videos and styling and bits and pieces we're doing. And we look forward to catching you again soon. Take care and hope to see you soon.